These are the prop roots of the red mangrove. And apart from supplying support for these trees, these roots trap mud, creating a resourceful environment for an abundance of life. The most obvious of which is the fiddler crab. Males like being noticed. His oversized claw is used to ward off other males or to attract a female. By doing this little dance, as the tide begins to rise, these crabs make their way back to their burrows. On the other side of the swamp, the rains are down. The rains hold up just in time for us to see the closing spectacle of the day. Our national bird, the scarlet ibis, coming home to roost. In the end, the weather held up perfectly for us to be able to enjoy this sunset on the way back out of the swamp.